This one. Anong tawag nito sa Thailand?
Ni, what do you got? Ni.
เป็นเนื้ออกไก่นะ
Pin okay. Hello.
ใช่เคี่ยวเคี่ยวเคี่ยวน้ำตาลอ้อยน้ำตาลอ้อยน้ำตาลอ้อย
Pork.
ใช่
Ni, chicken.
Is it okay with you to be in
เนื้อ
video?
เนื้อเนื้อ
Oh, ni.
Yeah. This one is sticky rice. Steamed sticky rice. Ito yung mga pagkain sa Thailand, mga kababayan. Ito ay manok. Ito ay tao. For almost 10 years in serving the Rona Ratchaburi School here in Ratchaburi. Please say hi to your fans in the Philippines. Yan, very good. Only 30 baht, very good.
Berarti mo.
Ate, kulikiran mo po.
เรียนทำไปแล้ว
Ako, hindi mo sana. Sige, dalawa tayo. Kasi iba sa kumakain dito.
ครับผม
Aduhan na niya.
อันไหน
I need one. Another one.
One for me, one for...
No. This one only. Oh.
Yeah.
for you for you
Hi. Nahiya.